Okay guys, I hope you can see me. I have my gloves ready. You can tell I don't kill crabs that often or that frequently. So I have my kitchen gloves ready and let's do this. They should be dead, guys. They should be dead. Fingers crossed. So Ethel and Liza are about to come out. One more thing, when I brought them out of the deep freezer, I allowed them to thaw, because you know you don't want to handle it while it's so frozen. You'll be breaking off the legs and such. So here are the crabs. I hope they're dead. Yes. So Dungeness crab, guys. I know this is Dungeness crab. I just had to make sure. But I'm going to clip off the rubber band. Oh, I can just pull it off. Okay. Of course, I need a kitchen scissors for this process. Oh my. I thought it moved. Whew. So, I think this is Ethel. And then this is Liza, guys. Liza is a little light. And then this is Ethel. Say hi to Ethel. I hope you make a great meal, Ethel. But yes, it seems like it's moving, guys. Okay, no, it's not. So I'm going to wash it out. Wash and clean off. It seems it has some goo on the surface. So I'm going to wash that out. So let's go through it. So guys, it is all clean. I just used a clean sponge and warm water to wash out. Of course, you know it's been staying in tanks at the market. So over time, the surface is a little slimy, just a little bit. So I had to just use sponge and water to clean that out. So now they're clean and ready to be gutted. So this is Liza and Ethel. So we have these two crabs and let's get to the process. I'm just cutting off the rubber bands used to hold the claws. And then we have some fur. Is it fur on here? I'm just cutting that off. Okay. Okay guys, so I've cut off the rubber bands used to hold the claws. So what I'm going to do now is pull this out. We're not eating this, and anything I bring out, all the guts, I'm going to put it in here. Okay, so let's get ourselves situated. I'm just going to use scissors to nick that off. Ooh. Okay. And then I have to nick this off too. There we go. And then and pull it apart. Whoa. See? Can you see that? And then over here, we have the gills. I'm going to take out the gills. We don't need that. Put it in our bag. Just remove all the gills. Because you know the function of a gill in seafood. It filters all the goo and gut. Filters all the things that flow through the animal. It serves as a filter basically, and you know what is left on a filter? Yeah, a lot of goo. So we've cleaned it. Oh, let's get out the rest of the stuff. And then we're just going to set it here on our cutting board. Hope you can see me, guys. There we go. Okay. This part, you can use it for, some people eat the brain, this yellow thing. I don't know if it's the brain, but I'm not going to eat this. I'm going to just clean it out. Some people like it. Yeah, it's not for me. I may use the shell to present, to serve something. But we'll see. I may throw it away, but we'll see how it looks at the end. So let's do the other guy. So I think this is Ethel, because Ethel is bigger, right? Ethel is much bigger. And who knows, she could still be alive. Let's see. Okay, so right here, we open this stuff up and cut it off. I don't want none of that. And then come here, do the same on top. Okay, use a knife to sever an opening, and then you can put your hand right in there and tear it apart. See that? Ooh. Some people like this yellow stuff. It's not for me. So we're going to just remove the gills like we did. Clean off all the goo. Okay. And it's not hard, guys. It's just, you know, a matter of knowing what to throw away. Anything that is not pretty much white. I mean, if you're a big fan of the yellow stuff, fine, you know, but I'm not. So anything that is not white, basically, I'm just getting rid of. Could be eggs, but I thought yellow crab eggs were a whole lot more like on the orange side. But hey, so we've gotten rid of that. Yep, and now I can just lightly rinse, just a little bit, so you don't get rid of the taste. I'm just rinsing out the guts here. You don't want to dip it in water, you lose the taste since you've opened the crab. So just that center part is what I'm rinsing out. And then, oh, good. It's easy to cut down the center with a scissors. There we go. And then, I don't need this sharp claw. I'm cutting it out. Okay. Okay, we're gonna cut this in two, just so it's easier to maneuver in the pot. Yep, so that's good. And then this one too, you can leave on this sharp claw. Some people use this part to dig out the meat as they're eating, but I don't want that. Can just cut those off as well. Oops. There we go. And then cut down the center so it's not too big. Okay, let's do this guy. I think we still have some claws on these. What is it called? I don't know what it's called. Let me know what it's called in the comment box below. This sharp tip of the crab. I'm just cutting it off. And then we have this part left. Oh, that's a lot of goo. So I'm just gonna dig it out. So we're just cleaning the shell out. Shell makes for a nice presentation. So we'll see what we're going to do with it. See, isn't that beautiful, guys? I'm rinsing out the shell. So we have the two shells. We can serve something in there. After steaming it a little bit to change color, and then we can serve something in the shell. But let's set that aside and clean up. Here is a crab. So we're good to go. That is ready to cook, and I'll see you shortly. Okay, I brought out another crab from my freezer. This one has been in my freezer for a while. This is our crab we just cleaned. Ethel and Liza, they're in here. But then this one is from a while ago. I stored in the freezer. I'm waiting for the day I'll be ready to prepare crab. So that's what this guy is about. It's not cleaned, but it's, it was cleaned with hot water, and I purchased it. So I still have to gut it, and it's frozen actually. You see why I allowed my frozen crabs to defrost first. After, of course, they died while in the freezer, but to defrost first, because if you start handling it while frozen, the legs will easily break off. And that's what we see here. So I'm going to clean this, add it to Ethel and Liza, add it to the two other crabs, and then we'll be good and ready to prepare our sauté crab.